One of the first meals many people prepare in their pie iron is some type of fruit pie. The simple method is just use bread, butter, and some type of pie filling. In this case, we're using caramel apple pie filling. Tastes great, just like this. You can also take it and add a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar to the outside. For these type of meals, we recommend purchasing the cast iron pie iron and not the aluminum style. The round ones work best for pies. Coming up in a few seconds, you'll see our new favorite method for making pies. We tried using cinnamon and sugar in the crust and loved it.
First I put some butter on each piece of bread, then I put some cinnamon on it, now I'm putting some sugar on it. So I hope this one turns out good. So now we're going to put it in this little pie iron, turn it upside down, press it in. Apples. Maybe a baby one there. Forgot, it's got a close there.
Take it.
Sprinkle with some cinnamon and sugar again.
Oh my.
It is really windy here, if you couldn't already tell.
You can cut off the crust or just leave it on and it will burn off once it's inside your campfire. Depending on the temperature of your fire and the coals, we recommend cooking for about 2 minutes per side. You can check it as frequently as you would like so that you do not overcook it. I hear it sizzling. That cinnamon sugar burns on the outside. Well, not burn, but it just makes it look dark. If you do not already own a pie iron, we will post links for Amazon for both the square and the round pie iron. Those are affiliate links that we earn a small commission off of, and it helps to go support our channel.
This one smells even better.
Oh my, it does smell good. I smell this.
I know.
Okay,